Hello everyone, welcome to Mishi Arts. Today I'm here with a review of t-shirt yarn. I'm so glad that finally in Pakistan we are now having a facility to use the t-shirt yarn. T-shirt yarn, you can also make it at your home by using the scrap of t-shirts you have, the old t-shirts and all those things, but preferably if we need some specific colors and something like that, so it is very obvious that we need a t-shirt yarn by itself. So let me introduce to you Wool World t-shirt yarn that is made in China. Okay, it's made in China. Let me tell you that it's 100% polyester and the weight itself is also 100 grams. Okay, see, the weight is over here. It is 100 grams, as you can see. Now it's perfect. And the material is polyester. And okay, now needle over here, needle type, they are saying that you have to use 4.5 needle. And so let me tell you, I am not going to do the knitting as I don't know how to knit. So let me tell you what hook are we going to use for this. So I'll be using a 5.5 mm hook for this. I think it's quite suitable for this. As you can see, it's 5.5 mm. And now let me tell you how it works. See, it is something like this. And it is rolled and you can see it's not too elastic. So how do we do it? Let me show you that how it works. It's really very comfortable and easy to work with. It's soft yarn, but the thing you make with it is quite stiff and stuff, so that you can make anything you like. Like you can make your organizers, desk organizers, or your dressing organizers, or you want to make a showpiece and you can also make a poster out of it. So now let me show you what I have tried making with this. This is the basket I made with this yarn. And now I think you all will be anxious to know how I made it or how I did this. So stay tuned and wait for my next video tutorial, and that will be how to crochet a basket or how to crochet this organizer with the t-shirt yarn. So that's all about t-shirt yarn. I have bought these few beautiful colors in it. The one purple is being used in a project, so I am not able to show that. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you found it useful, and do comment and do subscribe to my channel. Also share my videos and do comment please. Thank you.